first, let me get that introduction. We on a long road, no self-destruction. When you was so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this clear, cause I had no idea.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Ray Baby's Room, and today we are doing a wig review. First, before we do anything, let's get into these nails. Who did them, you ask? Moi. It's giving very much early 2000s. Cool aunties. The long design acrylic nails, baby. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go on vacation. This is basically first impressions, and then after I wear it on vacation, I'm gonna come back and update it and tell you how the hair held up. So this is the bag it came in. Okay, unit. Okay, trying to see what all it comes with. What it comes with. So it comes with some lashes. It comes with a little cheetah headband. Purr. I'm excited because this color is about to be bomb. I'm gonna have everything in the description below. The cost of the hair, the link to the hair, and all of that. I'm loving this color. First of all, this color is about to be cute on me. It feels really good. I've seen no shedding so far. I really just want to pop it on real quick. Oh, this is gonna be cute on me, y'all. Wait, I don't know which way I got this on. Wait, baby, this hair feels good. Let me look at my little mirror. That mirror tell the truth. Shame the devil. Y'all, let me put it on right. Ooh, middle part is going to hurt them. Middle part's gonna hurt. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm tripping, y'all. This wig cap tight as hell. If this is not big head friendly, I'm gonna tell you that right now. Ooh, them knots is gonna irritate me, and I don't want to bleach them. The lace isn't bad. Let's look at the hairline. She's definitely gonna have to get plucked a little bit, but baby, do y'all see that? Let me apply it, and I'm gonna pluck the hairline first. I'm gonna pluck the hairline, and be big. Okay, so I tried to find a dupe for that new lace stick for the grids and stuff. I think it did pretty good. The only problem I'm having with this wig, because the wig cap is so small and my baby hairs come so far down, I always have a hard time covering this. Like, it makes the wig struggle just but other, look what she's giving. Oh boy, I like what it looks like. What you see in your honey, check on me tonight. But yeah. right, y'all. Finally finished doing this. I wanted to do a small amount of baby hairs because I wanted this to look, you know, more subtle, not so in your face. I really love. I'm about to straighten it, but my flight is soon. Like, but look how it just frames. But anyway, so when I'm gonna bump them all underneath, and it's gonna be cute. I'm gonna post my pictures from vacay in the final product. So I just wanted to show y'all what it was looking like. Now, mind you, I'm still kind of new to this wig thing, so it's trial and error. I definitely think I would have put a little more foundation just so that the lace would be a little bit more seamless. But I definitely like Hurela hair. The lace melts fairly easily. The plucking experience is pretty good. The lace is very fragile, so like when you're plucking, try not to rip it. Like when you're pulling it, it will tear if you're not careful. Also, order a size up. I don't know if this is big head friendly because it barely fit onto my head. This Flesh product by Revlon is like my little dupe for that no grid. So I really liked using this. I like it a lot. You can still put powder on the top if you wanted to match you. They also have a dark brown shade. So the only thing is this literally was from the dollar store. So this is $1 and it comes in clutch, but it's not transfer proof. So if you do, I would say a foundation stick is the best dupe for it, but make sure that one of the features is non-transfer, so that it doesn't transfer. So that's pretty much it so far. So I'm gonna go on vacay and I'm gonna keep y'all updated, and yeah, I'll be back with some more news on this wig. I'm currently on my way to the airport. Curls are still holding up. But she looks good, y'all. Hurela might have did something, but we gonna see.
I look nice on you. Open my mind for you. Don't wanna wait on it tonight, I wanna get nice.